modifiers on students' behavior at primary level. Here we have got a research variable, reward of students, that whether the reward is going to help in learning or it is going to be ineffective. We have got research objectives, and research objectives we have that we will have to identify effective and ineffective reward practices of primary school teachers, and then we will have to compare teachers and students' view on the frequency of reward practices, and in the end we will have to suggest effective ways for use of reward at primary level. In fact, basically we are going to have this kind of presentation because we want to find that either reward is working on the learning process of students at primary level or not, and whether reward is going to help teachers as well or not. By the end of our research, we will have to find the questions, we will have to find the answer to the questions that if reward practices at primary level are effective enough to modify students' behavior in the classrooms, and then we will have the question that what are the effective and ineffective ways of reward practices by primary schools teachers. And our third question for this research is that what are the beliefs of students and teachers regarding the reward practices held in the classroom. By the end of our research, we will able to find the answer to these questions. So we are going to make a kind of hypothesis. There is no significant effect of reward as a modifier student classroom behavior. We are making this kind of hypothesis because we want to know either it is going to work or not, and the hypothesis can be true or false. So here is our theoretical framework, incentive theory, and extrinsic motivation and intrinsic motivation. In methodology, we have got 5 to 6 points. First of all, we are going to learn about the studies design. Our study design is descriptive research. We are going to use descriptive research, and descriptive research involves collecting data in order to test hypothesis or to answer question concerning the current status of the subject of the study. And in second number, we are talking about population, or we can also call it sample. Teachers and students at the primary level in Islamabad will be the target of the study. We are going to limitize our research. Sample size. Teachers and students of the Wisdom International School, Islamabad, will be taken as a sample for the study. Instrument in this research study, researcher will use questionnaire. And then data collection tool. The researcher, with the help of personal meeting with the sample, collect the data. Meanwhile, open source documents will also be consulted to collect data. Respondent provided enough time to answer all the question with. And then here is data analysis. The data will be analyzed in order to test the hypothesis of the study. Research tool. In this research, we are going to have quantitative research. Quantitative research approach would be applied, and a self-developed questionnaire would be used as a research instrument. Thank you so much.